In this video, you'll learn how to deploy a Claude Code app to Vercel step by step. By following these instructions, you will successfully set up your project, configure it, and deploy it to a live environment on Vercel. Begin by installing the Vercel CLI. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the command npm install -g Vercel. This command installs the Vercel command line interface globally on your machine, allowing you to manage your projects easily. After the installation completes, you will be ready to log into Vercel. Next, log into Vercel by entering the command Vercel login in your terminal. This action will open an interactive browser window for authentication. Follow the prompts in your browser to log in to your Vercel account. Once you successfully log in, you can proceed to initialize your project. Now navigate to the root folder of your app by using the command cd path to your app with the actual path where your app is located. After reaching the correct directory, initialize your Vercel project by typing Vercel in it. When prompted, select existing project, choose the framework you are using, such as React, Next.js, or Node.js, and either name your project or accept the default name provided. The next step is to create a configuration file named vercel.json for custom API routing. To do this, type nevercel.json followed by notepad vercel.json to open the file in Notepad. In this file, you will need to paste a specific JSON configuration. This configuration sets up your React frontend and Node backend routing. Ensure you enter the following content accurately. Y2 builds shoe frontend /package.json use at vercel/static build config distir builds backend /server.jsash use at vercel/node -backend/server.js westry -frontend build $1. After saving the vercel.json file, configure your environment variables on Vercel. Use the command Vercel end add cl end enter your actual Claude API key when prompted. Repeat this process for your other environment variables using the commands Vercel mdad cl ndmd process model l production and Vercel mdad mongo _URI production. This ensures that Vercel securely stores your sensitive information. Now build your front end locally to verify everything is set up correctly. Change to the front end directory by entering cd frontend and then run the command npm run build. After the build process completes, check that the build folder exists in your front end directory, confirming that your build was successful. To deploy your application to Vercel, return to the root directory of your project by typing cd, then execute the command vercel-prod to initiate the production deployment. Follow the prompts to confirm your project name, select your team or personal account, and confirm the production deployment. Vercel will build both the backend and front end, and once completed, it will provide you with a live URL for your deployed app. To test your API endpoint, use the command invoke REST method, https://your-vercel-url.vercel.apa/cat-method post-body text hello Claude content type application/JSON. Replace your Vercel with the URL provided by Vercel. You should receive a JSON response from Claude 2026 indicating that your API is functioning correctly. After making any updates to your application, you can easily redeploy it by running the command vercel-prod again. Vercel will automatically rebuild your application and redeploy both the backend and front end, ensuring that your changes are live. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.